Hi guys, well, another little project sitting on the bench. This is going to be kind of a probably short video. I'll have another follow-up to this video and we'll talk about theory and stuff, and we'll look at this thing a little closer. It's not real pretty. It's just a junk drawer parts put together thing called a theremin. And basically you have one part of it is volume control and another part's tone control, and I'll go over the theory of operation and stuff, how it works, but this one will work a lot better if I actually went out and spent some money and bought some decent tuning capacitors and stuff for it. But basically you have your volume here and your tone here. The closer you get, the higher the frequency. Now there's an adjustment to adjust tone a little bit. The closer you get to the volume, the higher it goes. The volume is rather tricky and touchy to get set, mainly because I really didn't have the exact parts I needed. In afterthought, I should have designed it with a different tube in it. It might have worked a little better, but now, I don't play instruments, so I'm there's videos of these things on YouTube of people who can play them really well, and so I'm not that type of person. But basically what we got in the circuitry is there is actually 3 oscillators in here, one in a mixer tube. One oscillator is fixed, the other oscillator is the tone oscillator, which hooks to this, and the other oscillator is the volume control oscillator, which hooks to this antenna. And basically the tone is done by, you've got 2 oscillators that you're going to mix together that'll be just slightly different in frequency by changing capacitance as you move your hand near the antenna. And as you get closer, you increase the capacitance, that changes the frequency even more. The difference between the two happens to be in the audio range, and of course the higher the capacitance, the greater the difference in frequency, the higher pitch it is. Volume control works basically by controlling the oscillator tube. As you increase the capacitance, that oscillator tube will start going into cutoff, and when it does, it drops off a signal that is being detected with a diode detector. Basically it's a 6SN7 dual triode. One side is the oscillator and the other side connect the grid and plate together, and you just got a cathode and then a plate connection there that acts as a diode. You rectify that is sent out to the last tube, which is just an output tube, a buffer, and allows you to adjust its bias. When there's nothing near it, it should be pretty much in cutoff, and when you move your hand towards it, it should go into reduce that bias voltage to that tube, so the tube will start conducting. That in turn is connected to the output of this to the audio amplifier that I built. So that's where we're getting our sound from. Anyway, like I said, in a follow-up video to this, I'll go over the schematic It's pretty much just kind of sketched together, so I'll get it kind of worked up a little better and go over deeper into how the theory works and how the unit works and stuff, and we'll look at it a little closer. If I was to basically build this as something being more than just a little project, a little fun project to do, then I would probably, for one thing, come up with a better chassis for it. But I would go on online and look for some better parts and stuff to mainly the oscillators, coils, and the various trimmer caps and tuning caps that's in them, used for them. So anyway, like I said, this will be kind of a short video. I just wanted to show it to you and stuff. I did get the parts for that I needed finally for the transmitter, so I'll be getting it back up on the bench and doing a little fine-tuning of it. And once I finalize its design and get it working where I feel that it should be working, then at that point I will get a schematic up and get it online for anybody who's interested. At this point, I can't think of anything else to put in here. I'll be doing another video. It'll be part two on tools. The first part I haven't uploaded yet, but it will be being uploaded here shortly. And then part two, first part's basically the basic tools, and then part two will go into other tools and stuff that eventually you might need, depending on what you end up working on. So anyway, I'll leave you with that, and it's kind of fun to play with, though. Anyway, probably just end the video here. And so if you like the video, give it, the standard thing, thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and you'll know when other videos come up and stuff. And so I guess I'll be seeing you guys on the next video. And thanks for watching, and thank you for your comments and your support in those comments, and I'll see you on the next video.